I'm talking about in it.
I'm talking about in it.
That was cute. Hi. You're probably wondering what this video is about. Wait, you saw the title. Whoa.
Yes, for those of you wondering, Annie has hijacked the channel once again. So if you enjoy videos watching teenagers cook and all of the chaos that comes with it, this video might just be for you. A little bit of a warning though, there's quite a bit of shaky camera movement here. I'm gonna try to help her fix that if she continues to do this moving forward. But let us know if you enjoy this kind of format and letting the kids kind of be themselves and cook and just show you how easy these recipes are to make, that even a teenager can make them.
I'm not alone today, guys.
Oh, hold up.
I have my best friend from camp.
Hi.
And she's gonna be cooking with us. Red coconut curry noodles. It's scrumptious and she picked it out.
It looks really good, the red coconut curry noodles. I love noodles.
Just in case you wanted to know where our glorious shirts were from. Because, go buy these shirts on One French Fries and Annie approved.
Annie approved is the best one.
Oh, look! Look like you don't like to yuck my yum.
What? What are you doing? Why do you need me?
I don't need you anymore. That's why I said I don't need you.
Bye then.
Bye. We want to say hi to Ellie and Alice in Calgary again. This meal is dedicated to you. I hope you like it. Otherwise,
I hope you like red coconut curry noodles.
you should buy this cookbook. It's amazing. And then you can make all my favorite stuff.
3, 2, 1. Hey, now we're in the kitchen.
We're boiling the water. We're preheating our air fryer to 375.
So step after that is pressing the tofu. So we put it in the pressers for 30 minutes. We have to press the tofu. So we already started it. And since we're doubling the recipe, we have 2 of them. So we're almost done. What are we doing now?
Wait, who's calling?
So we just wanted to say hi to my family.
To Eliora and Nico and Paloma and Bogdan. Hi.
And my doggy Parker.
Yeah, Mommy says hi. Say hi.
Wait.
Mommy, say hi to Parker. Say hi to Parker. Oh, yes. Once the tofu... Shh. Chill, child. Once the tofu's done pressing, we're going to rip it into chunks, or you can cut it into squares, but ripping it's more fun.
Yeah, it's also like and gives more texture. So
And we're going to air fry it for like 10-ish minutes. Also, if you like your tofu less tough, you can air fry it for less or more.
or
To your liking,
less.
it doesn't really matter. We're gonna do less because I like it more softer. Is that okay?
So after you break your tofu into pieces, the next step is to boil some water so you can put your pasta in it.
Rice noodles.
So
It's not pasta,
right here
it's
we've got
It's rice noodles. It's rice noodles.
rice noodles. Now we're making the sauce, and the first ingredient is a teaspoon of sesame oil.
I know what you're thinking, I thought this was a whole food plant-based channel. Why are they using sesame oil? We rarely ever use any oil in cooking. Sometimes we use just a little bit of sesame oil for flavor. You can leave it out of this recipe and just water saute stuff instead.
And if you don't have sesame oil, you can use water or vegetable broth.
Yeah, but sesame oil is more flavorful.
How long is too long? Okay.
Next ingredient to add in after the sesame oil.
3
Alright.
cloves of garlic.
And we stir it for 30 seconds
Bro, that's not what it
until it's
says.
fragrant.
That's
Yes,
not
it
what-
is.
Is that what it says?
Promise, yeah.
I'm filming, but you can keep.
No, it's so satisfying.
It's satisfying to film.
Yeah, like look how satisfying it looks in real life. I think we did 30 seconds. Next, we're gonna put some coconut milk and stir until it's beautiful. Next, we're gonna put some red curry paste, 6 tablespoons into here.
Because
But
we're
yeah,
doubling it.
Yeah, we're doubling it. But you guys, it's 3
Unless you want more,
tablespoons.
Psst, this is Jeremy from the future.
What are you doing?
I'm letting people know that this recipe that you're currently cooking, that I'm interrupting the cooking of, you can get it in our cookbook. You can get it, that's on the QR code that's on the screen.
So get the
and if you want the hard copy, which we now have, they are available again. You can email me right here. And
This is
let me know the
actually
hard
Jeremy
copy.
from the past.
what's
It's
here?
Jeremy from that's your
What's
hand.
here?
All right. Well, then, back to cooking.
Because if we add too many, it might be bad. Okay.
Guys, next we're gonna put in the day paste, and we have 4 tablespoons, but for you guys it's only 2 because we're doing double.
And normally it's maple syrup, but we don't have any, so we use day paste. Can you get me a tablespoon? So next we're adding 2 tablespoons garlic chili sauce, but if you're not doing double batch, only add 1.
Okay. The pasta is cooking. Mix it good, Annie. Mix it good.
I'm missing a gray. 2
Bean
cups
sprouts.
And no, we're going old-fashioned way. We're using our cup to measure the 2 cups.
Now we're letting the sauce simmer for 7 to 10 minutes on low heating. And yeah, and then we're gonna add them together when we're done cooking our bok choy.
We're not gonna use a separate pan. We're just gonna put in with the sauce and it'll cook. Like at the
For
end
how
of the
long?
simmering, when there's like 3 or 4 minutes left of simmering, put it in. Or maybe we're just impatient and we think it's been like 10 minutes.
Okay, so this is the finishing result of everything mixed together.
I'm gonna make a bowl, a nice bowl for you guys. Oh, look how saucy that looks.
We're gonna make a nice bowl for
I'm so
Jeremy.
excited. Do you hear that noise? ASMR. A nice saucy spicy bowl for Jeremy.
Yeah. We're gonna add some baby corn to it because who doesn't love baby corn except for Annie? First we're gonna add the bean sprouts.
Yep.
Then we're gonna add some basil, roasted cashews, and some cilantro. Some baby corn on the sides. The lime. I'm gonna give it a little squeeze. And this is Jeremy's portion. We made it so beautiful.
Okay.
And now we need Jeremy to taste test it.
Did you put the lemon on already?
Lime, yeah.
A bit
Lime?
of it, yeah.
Sorry.
Just put it in your mouth.
Calm yourself.
Oh, what's your review?
It's all over your lips.
Mmm. It's good. But I want more lime.
Oh,
Ooh. A little spice cooking in there? You put some red pepper flakes in there or something?
no, it's chili garlic.
Oh, the chili garlic
It's
noodles, yeah.
pretty-
Let me see with a little bit more lime.
Oh, dogs need to eat.
Good job. Good job not screwing up my recipe. Now you know this is easy enough for like 2 13-year-olds to make.
Mm-hmm.
Jenna's such a nice girl.
We love you guys. Bye.
Tell them to do the stuff.
Subscribe or unsubscribe.
What? No, don't stop. Where's the next
If
video?
you're not subscribed, subscribe already. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, unsubscribe.
No!
Next video is down here, up here somewhere.
Next video is right here on Annie's face. I put it over her face. Because that's what she deserves.
Yeah.
I love you, Annie.
Love you too.